It is Dragon Boat Festival and I am going to make some zongzi. The first step is to put some glutinous rice into water so it will be soft enough when I make the zongzi. The rice I'm using is the long grain sweet rice. And we'll let it sit in water for a few hours and come back. This is some dried bamboo leaves. Because our leaves are dry, so we also need to put it into water. Use a bowl to keep it under the water. We have some pork belly here. Because we're only making a few zongzi, so I'm not gonna prepare a lot of meat. But still, we're gonna marinate it. Some cooking alcohol. Dark soy sauce. Regular soy sauce. And some star anise powder. Let it sit in this for a while, and we'll be back when the leaves and the rice are ready. Ooh, our rice is ready. Let's start making it. The leaves also looks ready. We also have mushrooms and salted duck egg yolk that we can add into our zongzi. I have some cotton ropes on the side so that I can use it to tie the zongzi later. Let's take 2 leaves and cut the tips. Hold the leaves like this and then fold it at 1/3 of its length and create a pocket to put rice and other ingredients inside. Let's add some rice first and create a little hole for the pork belly. Now let's cover it with more rice. You want to push it a little bit so that the zongzi is tight, but you don't want it to be too full because the rice will become bigger when it's boiled and the leaves might break. Now let's wrap it. Hold the bottom on both sides and fold down the leaves to cover the top. And fold back the remaining tips of the leaves to cover the folded sides. Hold this part with your thumb and let's wrap it with the rope. All we need to do is cover these 3 folded sides. Make sure it's tight enough. Wrap it a few times and then we can tie it up. And we have our zongzi ready. Leave some extra ropes so we can tie the zongzi together when we boil it. I just repeat and finish the remaining. This one with duck egg yolk in it. I'm done with all 4 zongzi and let's boil some water. Now it's time to tie them up. Now we can easily take them all together to the pot and take them out when they're ready. Now it's time to boil them at low heat for 3 hours. It's ready! Smells like bamboo leaves. Wow, so hot! We can eat it directly now or wait until it to get cold and put it into the freezer. Let's open up one. This is the only pork belly inside one. The pork is soft and the rice has pork oil on it. I couldn't help but also open the duck egg yolk one because this is my favorite. And the rice right next to the duck egg yolk is the best. And if you're interested, search Dragon Boat Festival on Google. There's a special effect and you can read more about the holiday. Here's a Zongzi painting I did before. Happy Dragon Boat Festival! Thanks for watching and see you next time.